This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Ensure your motherboard uses UEFI and supports Secure Boot. Check Windows is updated and you have an administrator account. Once done, back up your BIOS/UEFI settings and Battlefield 6 saves to avoid data loss. Then reboot to enter UEFI setup, usually via Delete, F2, or F10 during post, and locate the Secure Boot menu. Make sure Secure Boot mode is set to Standard or Enabled. If it's in Custom, switch to Standard for easiest compatibility with Battlefield 6. Now you configure keys and drivers so Battlefield 6 will run under Secure Boot. In the Secure Boot menu, confirm the platform key PK, and DB/DBX keys include Microsoft Windows Production PCA. Install or restore default factory keys if missing. Next, update your GPU driver with a version signed for Secure Boot, download via Windows Update or the vendor's signed package. Once the driver is installed, reboot and verify Secure Boot remains enabled. These steps prevent driver signature errors that commonly block modern games. Finish by booting Windows and checking Secure Boot state in System Information. It should read on. Launch Battlefield 6 and run a short playtest to confirm stability. If the game fails to start, crashes, or shows driver signature errors, reboot into UEFI, temporarily disable Secure Boot to isolate the issue, then re-enable after fixing the offending driver. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restore default Secure Boot keys and clean install the latest signed GPU driver. This resolves most Secure Boot compatibility failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.